Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing everything you plan to sync, all camera clips and the reference audio. Place them on the timeline in separate tracks so you can see waves and visuals. Once visible, set the project frame rate and resolution to match your primary camera to avoid drift. Now scrub the master audio to find a clear transient, a clap, beat, or spike, and mark that frame. This first action anchors every clip and prevents cumulative timing errors later on. You align each clip to the marked transient by matching waveform peaks. Drag clips so the peaks sit on the marker. If a clip starts earlier or later, use speed adjustment or stretch a few % to correct small offsets, and then nudge one frame at a time for micro timing. Make sure audio scrubbing is on and use headphones so you can hear phase issues. Once clips are roughly aligned, solo pairs and toggle playback at 0. 5x to confirm lip sync or beat lock. You finish by locking synchronized tracks, trimming start and end overlaps, and adding short audio crossfades to hide small clicks. Then export a short test clip to verify sync across the full duration. If you notice drift later, check that every clip shares the same frame rate and sample rate. Resample audio if needed. When a single clip still misaligns, isolate it, then retime with speed adjustments or cut and nudge frames. This targeted troubleshooting fixes most sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.